In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix can't change time on iPhone. So most times when you want to change your time on iPhone, you just see that your iPhone time is set to set automatically, and this will not be clickable. So today, I'll show you how to make sure this is clickable and then choose manual time zone. If this is helpful and educative, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do when you're unable to set date on your iPhone is this. Go to the iPhone settings. Now scroll down and click on screen time. Once you click on that, then you should see this interface. Whether you're using screen time passcode or not doesn't count. Then come down here and see where you should see across devices. You can enable this on any device signed into iCloud to sync your screen time settings. Now toggle off this feature. Once this is disabled, then you should see a that says you should type in your screen time passcode. Then go ahead and type in the passcode. There you go. Then hit the back button. Hit the back button one time. Then let's go back to the general page. Scroll down and click on date and time. Then there you go. You can see now the set time automatically is now enabled. Now you can now turn off or turn on this feature to set your iPhone time manually. So this is how to fix can't change time on iPhone.